National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, northern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Banks County in northeastern Georgia, Clark County in northeastern Georgia, eastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Greene County in east-central Georgia, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, western Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, Madison County in northeastern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carnesville to Oconee Heights to near Herndonville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Commerce, Watkinsville, Demulesville, Lexington, Athens, Social Circle, Nicholson, Cummer, Winterville, Bogart, Crawford, Rutledge, North High Shoals, Colbert, Bostwick, Arnoldsville, Beulah, Good Hope, and Carlton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m. in Athens, it was partly sunny.